Hello everyone, welcome to Sociio Media. Today, in this video, I will show you how to make $2,000 per week on the Clickbank platform as a complete beginner without having a website and without having any prior experience. So, this is going to be the best affiliate marketing strategy. Now, let's start the tutorial. First, in order to earn money on Clickbank, go over to the marketplace and then, what we need to do is obviously find an offer to promote. Today, we are going to focus on this offer called the Diabetes Freedom. This is a pretty good offer for people who want to cure their diabetes problems. It pays $50 per conversion and it has gravity of 248. Today, we are going to give people something for free because this makes them more willing to buy the product or to buy our affiliate product. Take a minute and think about yourself, like when you receive something for free, you're willing to engage more with the company. Isn't that right? So from here, we have to leave this as it is and jump onto a special website called freeplrdownloads.com. Now, we're going to get our free digital ebook. Basically, this is what we're going to give for free to our audience. So, we're going to give them a free ebook related to diabetes, and these ebooks on this website are copyright free. So basically, you can resell them, you can use them for whatever reason you want. So in the search bar, type diabetes, then click on search, and now, I'm going to find a book related to diabetes that I can provide for free to my audience. So now, I'm going to click this book. And from here, what we're going to do is click on download, down below. And click on save. Now, let's open the book and see what it provides. So, this is how it looks like. It has a lot of content right here. This is a book you can provide to your audience, and I'm going to show you how to create your own audience or how to find free traffic to your offer. The next step is to create an opt-in page. Basically, we're going to send people to an opt-in page to grab their emails. So, for that reason, I use system.io, but also, you can use ClickFunnels or you can use other tools that lets you build landing pages and create opt-in pages. This is one of the best tools that I have found, and by clicking the link down in the description, you can get a free access to this tool forever. I mean, it's free forever. Of course, with limited functionality, but you will be able to create your funnel and you're free to use any tool. So now, after you click on get started for free and sign up for an account. And then, once you walk into your System.io dashboard, click funnels, and from funnels, we want to click on create, and from the create button, we want to click this first option, which is build an audience, which will help us get people's emails addressed to build your email list. Because the email list is very powerful. So now, click build and name this. I'm going to name that Diabetes Funnel 23 and then click create. You're going to be given a bunch of templates, which is pretty good because you don't have to start from scratch. So scroll down and find a template that you like, but today, we're going to use this one in the middle with the green book. So, I'm going to click select, and now, once the funnel is pretty much ready to go, we will move to the next step. The next step is to click this pencil, so we can edit the funnel to fit our needs, to make it appealing to the diabetes freedom. And, we need to change this book with the book cover from this website. As you know, we already have that book. So now, I'm going to click save this image. And then, I'm going back to the System.io dashboard, and here, I'm going to change this book cover with my own. Click this cloud icon. Then select files, and upload the image you just downloaded. Now, we want to keep that sentence as it is. Because this is really a free ebook, we want to keep this sentence at the top as it is. And next, what we need to do is to start transferring the text from the actual book to the title and also the bullet points. So, the title says, Understanding Diabetes and Glycemic Index. Now, we have to highlight this and copy it, and then, I can go back to System.io. And, you have to remove or delete the unnecessary text. So, let me delete it. Now, let's highlight the diabetes word by double-clicking on it, and on the left side, I'm going to change the text color from black to red. Now, it looks aggressive, nobody likes diabetes, this red color pops into people's eyes. And also, we have to create bullet points. So, get these bullet points from the actual book. What I recommend, open the book and start reading it. All the bullet points are always at the top and they're somewhere right here. So, just pick something that is very engaging and actually very valuable to people. Make sure that what you put as a bullet point is actually going to provide value to people. And if you can't find anything, let's scroll down and start looking for good sentences. So, I'm going to put something here, like, how to cure diabetes nature in 30 days. Then I'm going to say something like, foods to avoid for diabetes. So, complete this step by pasting some important stuff from the book. After completion, we can leave this button as it is, and finally, we have a very perfect landing page. Next, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click Save Changes, then click this exit icon. Now, we have to automate this in order for people to receive these actual books. So, go over to Automation Rules, click on it, and now, we have to click Add a new rule, and now click on the funnel step form, and next, click on Add Action, and from the actions, this is the action that we need, send an email. We are literally going to send them an email with the actual book. So, click Send an email, and here, we have to create an email, so click the plus sign to create on, and that's our email. And here is the email that we have to write for our people when they sign up. Now, you don't have to be any professional copywriter, and I'm gonna show you how to create this email without any skills. So, go back to Clickbank, where is the actual offer? When you see affiliate page, right click on it and then open this link. Basically, this is a page dedicated to you, to the affiliate, and it's a page full of marketing materials. All of the Clickbank offers, they have this so-called affiliate page, and you can find it again in the middle below the title of each offer. If I scroll up, you can see this offer has an affiliate page, this one just have an email. So pretty much all of these offers have an affiliate page. Now, after I have opened this affiliate page for the Diabetes Freedom offer, I'm going to click Email Swipes. And here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here to get the immediate access to high converting email swipes. Now, this is a professionally written emails, so they have a bunch of emails, not just one, as we can see, they have a lot of emails. For this example, I'm going to just highlight the first one, I'm going to highlight everything, and I'm going to copy it. Then, I'm gonna go back to system.io, and I'm going to paste this email right here. Now, this is a pretty good email. But, when I go back to the email swipes, you see, these are hyperlinks, this one is a hyperlink, meaning that this is a clickable link. So we need to create this as a hyperlink on my end as well. So we have to insert our Clickbank affiliate link in the email. So, let's go back to Clickbank, we need to click Promote this offer. Then click on Generate Hop Links, and now, this is my unique affiliate link from Clickbank. If somebody clicks this link and purchase the Diabetes of Freedom offer, we're going to get paid at $50. So let's highlight the entire link and copy it. Go back to system.io and try to mimic the hyperlinks from the actual email swipe. So we can see that the first hyperlink is this sentence, discover the number one green veggie with these arrows. So, go over to system.io, then I'm going to find these arrows, and I'm going to highlight everything. And from this icon, right here, I'm going to click that, and paste my affiliate link, right here. So let's click paste, and hit OK. That's now a hyperlink, and this hyperlink is with my actual Clickbank affiliate link. So this is a very professional and cool way, and it's actually a very smart way to promote a Clickbank product. Now what I recommend is scroll down to the bottom, and at the bottom, change the name to whatever name you decide to go with, or your name, and then in parenthesis, to make people really think that this is legit, and to make yourself legit, we have to say, your free ebook is attached to this email. And now, from the attachments, right here, I'm going to click Add an attachment, and then, I'm going to click Choose a file, and now, we have to attach our free book. The one that we just downloaded from the free PLR download website. As you can see, my ebook PDF is attached, and it says, Understanding Diabetes and Glycemic Index. So the only thing that we miss is the subject line, and for the subject line, we can say, your free PDF book is here. Finally, we have everything set up, we have our affiliate links, and make sure you put affiliate links all across your email body. Now, everything is ready to go. So, I'm going to click save, and that's it. Let's go and set up configuration, and this is my actual link to the landing page. So, I'm going to click this icon to copy my link and open it in a new tab. So, we can see how our landing page looks like that we just built. As you can see, very simple, looks pleasant to the eye. And when people click here, a pop-up will appear, and this pop-up also can be changed with the book cover. It's just a demo book cover, so I recommend you change everything with the book cover. Now, after you created your opt-in page or lead page, you need to drive traffic to this page, so people can come to this landing page, they can opt in, and then you can make money on Clickbank. And on top of that, you're going to build your email list, because the email list is very important. Now next, to drive traffic to this landing page, what I use is Facebook. Use the Facebook's organic traffic, or use Facebook ads instead. But today, we are going to use organic traffic, no money is required in this process. So, through Facebook, there are two methods of doing organic traffic. The first way is just go over to Facebook, and in the search bar, just type diabetes, scroll down and select groups. You can find a lot of groups related to diabetes. Some of them have few members, some have thousands of members. All these groups are related to diabetes, so what we can do is start joining these groups one by one, and once you start joining the groups, you can just go to the groups and create posts. It's free and targeted. So in this group, obesity and diabetes, I can create a post, which I can say, hey guys, I am giving away a free ebook, and then I'm going to type, how to better understand diabetes. And then, I'm going to provide the link, which is this URL. This is our opt-in page, so I'm going to copy that and paste my link here in this group or post. Nowadays, a lot of these posts are not getting approved, so what I recommend is before you post something in any group, firstly, introduce yourself and start interacting with the people inside the group. So they know you. You're not a random guy coming to this group and posting your links. So make sure you start interacting with the people in any group first. Start liking other posts, maybe post something else, post an image before you post a link. But that's the easy way to promote the book. So finally, the harder way, and actually the most effective way, is to create your own Facebook group, because this is going to give you a massive traffic. So how you can do that? Click these dots, and then click create, and then click create group. It's a very simple process. So the group name should be something related to nature. Let's say, natural cure to diabetes. And privacy should be public. So people can find this group easily, and I'm going to scroll down. And I can hit create the group. And that's it. Our group is almost ready to go. Now, important things are here on the left side, where it says group settings. The first thing, where it says name and description. So, for the description, type here, like, download a free ebook. Then, I'm going back to the squeeze page, copy this text or title. And paste this title, right here. Now type, equal, then greater sign. You can see now, it becomes an arrow. And this arrow points to my squeeze page that we just created in system.io. I'm going to copy this link, go back to Facebook, and paste this link right here in the description. Now click on save. Our description is now saved, and if somebody visits this page, they're going to see and check this out. I have my link on top of the group. When new people join our group, what they see first is our free ebook, and when they click on it, they are redirected to a landing page that we recently created. So, through our ebook and with the use of hyperlinks in it, if someone buys products, we will get paid from Clickbank. So it doesn't happen overnight. You must work on your group and wait for it grow, which will generate you a great amount of money. And if you want it fast, go with Facebook ad strategy that I will upload soon on this channel. Make sure you subscribe Sociio Media for daily affiliate marketing tutorials. I will meet you in next video. Goodbye.